I would like to now introduce our next distinguished guest for today, Dr. H.R. Nagendra. Nagendra ji is the president of Vivekananda Yoga Anusandhana Samsthana and also the chancellor of Swami Vivekananda Yoga Anusandhana Samsthana University. Dr. H.R. Nagendra is widely recognized across the world as Yoga Guru. We are pleased to have you with us today. Over to you, Nagendra ji.
My dear brothers and sisters, congratulations to Dinesh ji for bringing our beautiful app of Surya Namaskar. Surya Namaskar is a wonderful tool which combines different yogasanas into its fold into the 12-step program. In the Ratha Saptami day here in our university, we had a wonderful Suryathon of 152 people doing 1008 Surya Namaskars. They started in the morning at 6 o'clock and continuously went on doing the practice. By the time we ended, it was 8:30 in the evening, almost 14 and a half hours. And it has created a world record. And as it is said in the Upanishad, Surya or Pushan is the one who represents the ultimate creator, Brahma. Hiranmayena patrena satyasyapi hitam mukham tattvam pusham napavruna satyadharmaya drishtaye. That's the mantra from Ishavasya Upanishad. So we pray to Pushan Surya Bhagavan, to remove from our midst all the attractions of the sense pleasures. And it is like a golden vessel, Hiranmayena Patrena. That is the one that is preventing us to Pihitam Mukham. The Satya is covered by this golden orb. Therefore, we pray in this beautiful verse that the Surya Bhagavan should bless us with removing the orb of golden orb to see that we grow continuously to experience and realize the truth in life. What is the truth? As it says, Ishavasya Sarvam. This entire creation is made of the Isha. That is the Swarupa, as Patanjali says. So in modern science, we have understood over the 400 years after systematic research, scientific research and methodology that this entire world, the physical world, is made out of energy, E equals mc square. And the laws that govern them, that is Newton's laws of motion for the normal speeds known as the classical mechanics. And when you go to extremely high speeds, like an electron swirling around the nucleus, we have the quantum mechanics, the theory of relativity. And therefore, everything is nothing but energy, energy. You can precisely calculate how much of energy is in given matter. But science is moving forward to go beyond the physical, to understand whether there's something like prana, the mind, the emotions, the intellect, the relations between them and consciousness and so on. It's here that India gives a lead to the entire scientific community to go beyond quantum physics. And the top researchers and the big Nobel laureate like Professor Josephson always used to say that now these Upanishads give us the direction to go beyond. So in this first Upanishad, Ishavasya Upanishad, the Surya, the Pushan, has been prayed as the embodiment of that creation. And therefore, it is very, very wonderfully apt that SSCR, the Dinesh ji, has come forward to prepare this app and it has been made very, very popular around the globe. As all of you know, the International Day of Yoga has been celebrated, and last year we had the target, Ministry of Ayush, of 20 crores of people to practice in India. And this year, the target has gone one more, 30 crores of people. And we had an interministerial meeting in which all the ministries have come forward to take a big role in bringing this International Day of Yoga, yoga protocol to people at large all over the country and all over the world. The Ministry of External Affairs also have come forward, ICR also have come forward to see this spreads to every country in the world. And therefore, we all have to work together to make this possible. Now, we have a great opportunity in the online mode to see that we can spread this thing throughout the country. And sitting in home, we'll be able to practice this 40 minutes yoga protocol that has been developed by all the yoga masters in the country and approved and is being used by the people at large. And the Ministry of Ayush has now been coordinating all the ministries to make it possible. Similarly, we have a lot of yoga gurus from all over the country and all over the world. And we have an Indian Yoga Association in which we all joined all these people. And we are going to spread this to all nook and corner of the country, into every village in the country. That's the mission that we have now. Particularly in the context of the modern COVID spreading its wings and devastating with such large number of people succumbing and dying in the things, the yoga protocol that have been developed is the big redeemer to bring the immune system to its grandeur, to blossoming health. And if Surya Namaskar also is added on to that, it will have tremendous strength to ward off any corona or any other new virus that may come in the third wave too. Therefore, people should start practicing the yoga protocol, and if you can add on Surya Namaskar into it, it will be a grandeur. And therefore, rightly, our Dinesh has brought out this app so that it can be used everywhere, nook and corner, in every village, it can go. So I congratulate Dinesh, SVYASA, and our dear Vijayalakshmi for making this possible and spread throughout the world. And a lot of research has undergone, and Surya Namaskar has shown its wonderful effects in developing energy within us and to bring flexibility of the body and to strengthen our immune system and to bring balance and to remove the root cause of the disease called Adhi at the mind level. Adhi is an imbalance at the mind level because the emotions take over us and we go against what is right. That is Duryodhana component within us. So Adi has to be dealt with, and that is done effectively by the practice of Surya Namaskar, and also it has been richly rewarded by expanding our vision to the higher level. And when people go on doing that, it is going to bring about the necessary transformation in the people and can take to the samadhi, that the culmination of the Ashtanga Yoga of Patanjali. After dhyana, it will take. At the end of the Surya Namaskar, you just sit there and cool and with wonderful vision of Surya spreading all over the universe. The whole creation, you stay there, Ananta Samapatti, as Patanjali says, occurs, and your mind will merge with that effulgence, and that is the goal. And Samadhi starts off with this expansion of awareness and jumping from our normal level of consciousness to the next higher level of consciousness, which is featured by higher bliss, higher knowledge, higher power, and higher freedom. And this is how you go from one samadhi to higher. And Patanjali says there are 8 types of samadhis which take you ultimately to what is called as the Kaivalya. That is the state of infinite power, infinite knowledge, infinite freedom, infinite bliss. And that is the goal of human excellence. As Swami Vivekananda said, the goal of life is to manifest that divinity, which is innately present in all of us, to manifest itself. Why it is not manifesting? Because we are covered by the Hiranmayena Patrena, covered by the imbalances, the attractions of life and other things. And therefore, we have to purify each and every of the 5 koshas that we have, Annamaya, Pranamaya, Manomaya, Vijnananandamaya kosha, and see that it becomes transparent for the flow of the tremendous energy, power, freedom, bliss, and knowledge to our midst. The goal of life, therefore, as Swami Vivekananda said, is the manifestation of divinity already in man, he said. And that is the perfection that we seek. Therefore, with that, it has become very, very relevant in this times of difficulties where the whole world and even India is trembling down in the COVID. And it has been very, very apt that we have brought out this wonderful app. I'm sure this app should go to each and every person. And I wish all the best for the wonderful effort that Vijay Lakshmi had done and for the great work that Dinesh Patwardhan has been able to work on and develop into this beautiful app. Thank you very much once again, and I wish you all the best and good luck. Thank you for calling me to share the ideas about Surya Namaskar for all of you. Dhanyavad.
Thank you, Dr. Nagendra ji, for sharing the inspiring vision of International Yoga Day and the importance of Surya Namaskar, and also the need to align the practice of Surya Namaskar with the protocol of IDY. So thank you very much for that.